Rappers and music producers, it's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com, and today I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, for those people who don't understand what it is basically this. You purchase a product, you tell a friend, you get a percentage off of your friend purchasing the same product that you purchased. That's like the most simplified version of it. Now, there's many different companies out there that have affiliate programs. Most do, and you can check them out online. Your favorite products, whether you're using certain software or hardware, they typically have affiliate marketing programs because it helps them expand and grow as a business and helps turn their customers into partners. That being said, you guys will see me do many videos, whether it's DistroKid or whether it's anything through Loopmasters. You guys know that I have many different affiliate products, and I only do videos about products that I stand firmly behind. It don't matter how much money I have the potential to make. If I don't believe in the product, I don't stand behind it. That being said, I know there's many of you that stand behind my products, whether it's my drum kits or my online courses. So now I want to give you the opportunity to make money with Curtis King. Why am I talking in third person? I don't know, but I want you guys to make money with me. And what that means is that I want you to be a part of my affiliate marketing program. If you go to teamcurtisking.com or just go to the hyperlink in the description below, you're going to see more information of how to get started. Right now, I'm going to actually show you an on-screen tutorial that shows you all the details that you need. But look, if you got a PayPal and if you understand how to use the links, which I'm going to show you, you'll be able to make money anytime you refer one of your friends or any rapper or producer to my products. You have the opportunity to start generating income with me. So if you're ready, let's get to it. Okay, rappers and music producers, what I want to do is go on the screen and show you how this Curtis King affiliate program works. First things first, let's read it line by line. Curtis King affiliates, refer and earn. As I said before, do you know a lot of rappers and music producers that you think can benefit from our products? Well, within this program, now you can get paid for referring them to us. You earn a 15% commission for each person you send our way. Now that's on all eligible products that are on the website, and you'll have more details on the back end, and I'm going to show you that once we actually sign in. Fast and easy commissions, payments through PayPal. So we send all of our payments through PayPal. You can track every sale through your own dashboard. All payouts are made on the 1st of each month and are done through PayPal. Referrals are eligible for payment after they have been in our system for 30 days. For example, if you refer someone that purchases a Curtis King product on February 12th, you will be paid for that referral on April 1st and all future months. Now that's pretty standard with any affiliate program, obviously, because people can ask for refunds, and if you get your payment before the refund has actually been distributed, then that is money that is going out of our pockets and actually is not a commission on a sale that exists. So we have to do that in order to protect both of ourselves in this situation. Lastly, we are growing fast, and it is because our YouTube audience is spreading the word. Yes, you guys are the ones spreading the word about these products that I have, and I'm so thankful for you guys because now we want to return the favor to everyone that has helped us start getting paid today. Now, as you can see, as I explained before, the commission structure is basically that you earn a percentage off of every sale. So if you get someone to purchase the FL Studio beginners course that I have for 99 bucks, you get 15% of that. Same thing with the websites or the drum kits, not necessarily the beats, not yet, because we're still trying to work out more details in terms of the beat store that I'm going to be using, because I am going to be changing very soon. But we'll have more details about that really soon. Okay, once you look at that, the next details to fill up are obviously your first name, your last name, your email that you want to use, and as well as your password. Now I'm already going to sign in here as an affiliate, so we're going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm going to show you what you're going to see once you sign up. So you signed up and you're in the dashboard. You're going to have a welcome message here, which goes over a lot of the details that I already said. Once again, these affiliate links will work for all these products: the How to Build a Music Producer website, the Fluid Music Producer, How to Create a Rapper website, Big Drums Knock Volume 1, 2, and 3, and the whole bundle. They'll all apply to just those products. We don't have any for the one-on-one consultations quite yet, or for the beats, but in the future, we will figure out ways to ultimately set that up for you guys, because I want to make sure that you have an opportunity to earn income off of every product on my website. But we're still new, still fresh, but these are basically some details lining it up. You can read that on your own time. In this dashboard, you can see all the different referrals that you have had. You can see where they are in the world. You can see how many clicks that you got today, how many conversions, which are people who actually use your link to purchase something, and the amount of money you should expect at the 1st of the month after you've been in the system for 30 days, as we explained before. Next thing is reporting. It gives you a more detailed look at how you're doing per month to see if you're actually getting more people converting, you know? This is where if you have sales skills, you are going to kill it and be making some great money off of these courses because you're referring them to us over here at CurtisKingBeats.com through your content, whether it's Instagram, whether it's newsletters, whether it's YouTube. You get to basically decide how you want to do that. Next is the assets column. Here's where you're gonna find your referral link. Now, generally you would see banner ads, and I'm gonna add that pretty soon here, but generally you would just use this link right here and say you do a 5-minute video of your review of how to build a music producer website course. You do a YouTube video, you basically put this link in your description, you send them here, and when you do that, it will automatically track it for, and then anything they do from here in terms of going here, so they go to the FL Studio Beginners course, once they actually enroll and they add it to the cart and they check out, and then once they check out, it'll go back and be processed, and then you will see a conversion show up in your reporting and on your dashboard, and you will earn a percentage off of that sale. It's just that easy. Next thing, you can actually see the conversions that occurred, right, and the commissions that should be paid for that. Next, you're gonna have an opportunity to put some different sources. Now, say you wanna have different places that you wanna track where these clicks and conversions are coming from, you can do that here. Last thing is the payouts, and this is where you're gonna see a history of the payouts that have been paid to you, but that's about it. I mean, the main thing you wanna go ahead and pay attention to is this link right here. So if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to hit us up. Like I said, get creative with this. This is all about you having the opportunity to earn some extra income for telling people about the products that you already believe in. So you guys get to go from customer to partner, and I'm very excited to have you a part of the team. Once again, this is Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com. Have a good one.